Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. Today I'll be showing you two look PLL. Now if you don't know this, it's basically when you got first two layers done like this and you solve the entire top layer to be the same color, so all yellow because my cross is white, and you left with one algorithm to solve the entire top layer. Now, I just did one look right there, so I won't be showing you that. I'll be showing you a more simpler way to look. So let's get to it. Alright, so the first thing when you're doing two look is that you want to find out what case you need to do. So for example, if you see headlights like this, with practically the two of the same colors like that, you want to hold that on the left. And you want to perform this algorithm right here, which goes like this. So you take out this piece and you sledge it back in. Then you do an R2. Like that. Now basically what that does is that will give you a couple different algorithm cases that you can get, but it actually just solves all the corners. So I believe once you've done that, there are 4 different algorithms you need to learn, so this is one of them, but that's only one of the cases. There's another one which I'll show you right now. Now if you get a case where practically there are no headlights, like here there's a block and a bunch of other stuff but no headlights, you want to perform this algorithm from anywhere, which is kind of the reverse of the last one. So it's up here if you want to follow along. Like that. And that practically does the same thing. It solves all the corners. And yeah. Now, just as a heads up, before you start learning all these other algorithms to solve the top layer, I suggest having a good hang of those two algorithms, because those are the main ones you need. So before you start learning the other ones, just learn those two and get a good hang of it. Our first case we got here is something called a U-perm, which, because it looks like a U, you can kind of see it here. Now so how you recognize this case is because there are only 3 pieces you need to swap, but there are 2 versions of this case, this one and this one. Now how I recognize them apart is these 2 sides. Now how I recognize that the case you got is that if this edge piece here needs to go to this side here, you want to perform this first algorithm, which goes like this. You put the edge over here, or the pair over here. You do this. Then insert it all back with a swift motion. Now that's the first one. If it's like the same thing on the other side, where this edge here needs to go to here, like this, you want to do this algorithm, which is practically the exact same thing, but on the left, like so. Our second algorithm we got here is where these 2 edges need to swap, like this, and these 2 edges need to swap. This is called a H-perm. Not sure why it looks like an X, still. So what you do here is that you want to slice the middle layer twice, so the white's on the top now. You want to turn the top layer once this way, so like that, not like this, like that. You want to slice twice again, turn the top layer twice, slice again, line it up so the orange goes with the orange, then slice twice again. Solve that. So once more. Just like that. Last case we got here is the Z-perm, where these 2 need to swap, these 2 need to swap. Now, what you do here is that you want to, and like the last one where it's a double, for this one you just want to bring it up once. You want to move the edge across here, not here, here. You want to slice twice, move the edge to the back, slice twice again, then connect it all up. One slice, turn the top layer twice, slice again. There you go. And that is the end of my tutorial. Now, just like if you watch the OLO one, just like that, I suggest learning them one at a time, not all of them at the same time. It will make it a lot easier, and if you try to do that, it's most likely you'll forget them and have to relearn them. So just one at a time. That's it. I'll most likely be making a one-look tutorial later, so stay tuned for that. Subscribe, like, whatever. I don't really mind if you don't. But that's all. Hope you learned something and have a great day.